Hey guys, so I'm going to quickly jump into the video and I'm going to start by using my Nars concealer, and I'm going to pat that on my eye, blend that in really well so that I can start doing my eyeshadow. So I'm going to go into my Juvia's palette and I'm going to use the brown shade to start. And I'm just going to blend that out on both lids. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe palette. And I'm going to use this shade as well. I'm going to blend this out on both lids. And I'm going to go back in with my Juvia's palette with that same color and blend that out on the top because I feel like I lost it once I went into my Morphe palette with that second color. Just going to blend that out. Make sure I can bring that color back in. And then I'm going to go back into my Morphe palette for the glitter. And I'm going to put that right on top of the lid in the center. And then I end up just packing it on, and I end up packing on the glitter from the Juvia's palette as well. Now I'm just doing my liquid eyeliner and I'm making sure that everything is good and precise. I'm taking my sweet time with this, although this may be sped up, I'm really taking my sweet time with this one. And I'm also going to go in with my Nars concealer as well to clean up any of the imperfections. I'm now going to add some dramatic lashes to top the look off. Now I'm just going to add my Nars foundation and I'm just going to blend this out. I'm going to go on with that same concealer that I used to clean up my eyes. And I'm going to blend that out. And then I'm going to set it as well. Now I'm going to go with my Nars blush. And I'm just gonna add the blush to my cheeks. Now I'm going in with one of my red lipsticks. I'm pretty sure this is probably the liquid lipstick in Kat Von D. I realized it wasn't bright enough, so I went in with one of my MAC red lipsticks. And the link to all of the items that I'm using in this video will be down below. And then I end up lining my lips. The lip liner that I first used was not dark enough to my liking, so I ended up adding a Nars lip liner. Now we're adding the mascara because we can't forget the mascara. And I'm just going to do this to both eyes, and that's pretty much it. This is the finishing look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.